Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on this gray switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to activate it. If you want to turn it off, tap on the same No Blue switcher. You can also go into Tab menu and tap on those three dots located on the right of Brightness slider. Now tap on the switcher next to Adaptive Brightness, and to save your changes, select Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!